Speaker replacement on MacBook Pro, A1502 laptop. Thank you, Sir Virgilio, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The MacBook Pro A1502 underwent a speaker replacement to restore clear and balanced audio performance. The original speakers have become distorted and weak over time, likely due to wear and dust buildup from prolonged use. To resolve this issue, the laptop was carefully disassembled using precision tools, and the battery was safely disconnected to avoid electrical damage during the process. The defective speakers were removed from their enclosures, and new high-quality replacement speakers were installed and securely connected to the motherboard. After reassembly, the system was tested to ensure proper audio output, confirming that both left and right channels produced clear and distortion-free sound. Speaker replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.